Hi everyone, and welcome back to Simple Fresh Flavors with Emily. Today I'm going to be showing you my take on a classic Brazilian favorite. If you walk into any restaurant or bar in Brazil and order a Limonada suiza, you will get this creamy, frothy, chilled citrus drink. Now, in English that translates to Swiss lemonade. However, there are no known origins back to Switzerland. The only thing that may be possible is that the Nestle can of condensed milk has a Swiss milkmaid on the front. Whenever I think of summer, I think of my great-grandmother and fresh squeezed lemonade. So I thought, how about we give this classic Brazilian drink an American twist? Let's get started. Brazilian lemonade is generally made using limes. But to give this an American twist, I'm going to cut up 2 lemons and 3 mandarin oranges. I then add them to 4 cups of cold water in a blender. Okay, so I've got everything in here and I'm just gonna pulse it all for like 10 seconds. That's it. You just want the juice and you want some of the oils from the rind. So if you go any longer than that, you're gonna start to get into the pith and it's gonna get really bitter. If you just try to skip this step and you use orange juice or lemon juice, it just isn't the same. So don't try and skip this step. Okay, so now that I've got this orange juice, all the pulp all removed and everything, I'm going to put it back into the blender and then I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. So now I'm going to blend this up until it's nice and frothy. See that the color has changed completely. Now it's sort of a creamy yellow color and it is really frothy. Okay, so I'm going to add in a little bit of ice. I'm going to start with probably 2 cups and then go from there. It depends on your preference, if you like a little icier or maybe just chilled a little bit. So just try 2 cups or 1 cup and then add from there if you think it's necessary. Okay, so once you've got it all sort of blended up, it's going to be really cold, the glass is. Just going to put it into a pitcher of some sort. I like just a simple plain pitcher. So get this all poured in there. And then I like to serve them in these stemless wine glasses. Now you could just serve as is. It's an excellent drink. My daughter loves them. But you could also add like a splash of vodka. And if you do that, this drink now is transformed into what is known as a batida. So I'm going to get these poured in. Then I've cut some orange rings just to put on the side. Very pretty. And there you have it. If you like what you saw today, go ahead and give me a like and a follow for more simple, fresh flavors. Bye, y'all.